What I've got for my birthday, including 5 new bags and 2 incredibly special wishlist pieces that I said I wanted to tick off my wishlist this year, and they're here. Hey, if you're new here, my name is Steph. I cannot believe we are here again. Another birthday unboxing with 5 new bags. Guys, I need to show you. My friend actually got me this. It was just so thoughtful. Would you look? This is a solid chocolate handbag, and look, it even has a little clochette. This is from Ruth Hinks. I did have a look to see if I could find this online, and I think it was just from like an independent store here in the UK, but if I find, I will link down below, as well as everything else in this video that we go through today. Now, where would we be if we weren't adding some beautiful new jewellery to our collection on a birthday? I'd like to say a huge thank you to Gingerberry for sponsoring this part of the video. I have worked with Gingerberry quite a few times now, and I can say with first-hand experience, they have some of the most incredible jewellery pieces. So much so that I couldn't stop myself, and I am already wearing some. And these are the Lever. Oh my gosh, would you look at this? Hoop earrings with a Marquise 0.5 carat lab-grown diamond. I decided to get 2 of these, and they are so versatile. The hoop you can wear on its own, and again, this is 14 carat solid gold. It isn't going to tarnish, so you can wear this for daily wear. Or you can attach the Marquise lab-grown diamond, which just dangles down beautifully, and it just adds something absolutely beautiful to a super simple look. And not only that, you can also take the Marquise lab-grown diamond off these earrings, and you can then put them on a different chain. So I have a gold chain. I have the Celesta necklace, which I wear all the time, featuring a 1 carat lab-grown diamond. If I wanted something a little bit more subtle, I could take this diamond off the chain and then put this beautiful Marquise diamond on it for a completely different look. But what I have in here is arguably going to steal the show, and you're going to see why. This is a brand new style of necklace from the brand, and it has a very beautiful, iconic even, shape. Would you look at this? This is the new Floria necklace, Aurora Pearl in the center, and we have this flower or fleur sterling silver setting. The pearl measures 6 to 7 millimeters and is an AAA grade pearl. And super long necklaces are so on trend right now, but this is also fully adjustable. So just to show you, we have this bead here, so you can really easily fluidly change the length of the necklace. This is it on its longest setting. Again, if you have a shirt on, I'm going to shorten this. Oh my gosh, you could even throw like the fleur to the back and then just have these 2 parts dangling. And we have another fleur detail, would you look, here on the end of the chain. And then the Gingerberry tiny logo here. And styled on the website, they just threw the fleur here over and then just had it dangling next to these longer parts like this, again with a button down shirt. Let me even show you. Let's throw the longer parts to the back, then you have beautiful detail down the back, but you can have it shorter and just have the fleur on the front. I absolutely love super versatile pieces like this, so you can just switch it up. Now, Gingerberry have kindly given us Handbagholics an exclusive discount code. It is BAG15. I'll flash it on the screen down below, as well as putting links in the description box. This is going to get you 15% across the entire website, as well as until the 31st of May this year, they're also running a special Mother's Day sale, which is stackable with the 15% off code. For example, if you spend $500, you're going to get an additional $20 off, as well as your 15%. They have free shipping worldwide, as well as 30-day free returns, and it's completely duty-free shopping. Now that my outfit is complete with some absolutely stunning new birthday jewelry pieces, oh my gosh, let's dive into some of these pieces because we have quite a lot to go through, including, like I said, 5 new bags. We are going to start. Let's start with this. I literally received this the other day. This is from one of my favorite affordable luxury brands, LM. Would you look? Do you know these affordable luxury brands, like their packaging is usually, to be honest, better than some of the mega brands. Now, this is a tried and tested bag for me because I do already have this in my collection. but this is one of the brand new colours, and I feel like it could be really fun for this spring summer. And they've dropped quite a few new colours across a wide range of their bags, some really beautiful pastels, like I think there's like the pastel turquoise colour, which again I was super tempted by. In fact, I might still order one. But this one caught my eye because I don't actually have really a bag in this exact colour, because this is a mustard yellow. This is the boomerang bag in the smaller size. And would you look with the gold handle? Oh my gosh, and it's so smushy. Now, if you know my bag collection already, I actually have this in the black leather with the silver hardware, and I have been wearing this so much. It's basically become like a nice evening going out for dinner bag for me. It's just the most perfect size, and it's such a talking point. This feels, even though it's the same bag, it feels so different, doesn't it? In the mustardy suede. And if you're debating which size to go for, because there is a larger size as well and the smaller, just for comparison, this is in the colour tobacco with the gold hardware. I would say this is very much more of like a day bag, whereas the mini one I use a lot as more of like an evening bag. It has a magnet to keep it closed. It does also come with a longer detachable crossbody strap. And just to show you quickly, inside, one big compartment. You have a slot here on the back for your cards as well. We have feet on the bottom. Honestly, I mostly just carry mine with the top handle like this. I don't usually use mine with the strap, but it is lovely that that comes as an option. Let's pop this gorgeous new beauty just here. The next bag. Oh my gosh, so this brand, I had no idea they existed. They actually reached out to me on Instagram a few months ago now. So I've had this here for a few weeks and I have been desperate to show you, but I've been waiting for this birthday unboxing to share it with you because I have had chance to give it a little bit of use. So this is a brand called Leo et Violette. They are based in Paris and their bags are made in Italy. And I have honestly been beyond impressed with this bag, so much so I am on the cusp of ordering this again in another size. Would you look at that colour? Oh my gosh. So when a brand reaches out, oh my gosh, believe this or not, and they offer me one of their bags, I usually refuse because I can't guarantee that I'm going to give anything coverage. When I saw this bag, I literally fell in love instantly, not only with the colour, with the style of bag. This is so lightweight, guys. So this is the Soft Laurence bag, and this is in the colour Bordeaux. This is in a super soft lambskin leather. I'm obsessed with the colour. We have this adjustable shoulder strap here. On the back, we have pockets. We have two big pockets. Let me show you my phone just here. This is the iPhone Pro. Fits in there no problem, so I can grab my phone super easily. This retails in the UK around £500, by the way. So again, part of our affordable luxury range. I class affordable luxury as anything below like £1,000. And let's take a quick look inside. I cannot tell you how soft this lambskin leather is. They do have a grained one as well, but the one that I am looking at getting now that I've had this one is the suede one. Oh my gosh, even the black, like just a black classic bag. This Bordeaux, I actually had to wait for this to come into stock quite a few weeks after they'd messaged me. Would you look inside, we have one big compartment. I love a bag that doesn't have loads of dividers. It just makes it easier to carry stuff. And then we have two pockets here. And these slouchy kind of flat bags right now, we've got the maxi flat bag from Chanel, but this retails for the larger size around £7,000. So this one at £500, just to do it up, by the way, you just pop this in here and then flick this back round to secure it. So if you're, looking for a flat bag with like a slouchy vibe to it in the most beautiful leather, I will link to this brand below, Leo et Violette. What a find. I am so impressed with this bag. Oh, just look at the slouch. I'm really unsure about this. So do you know what I could really do with your feedback? I haven't ordered anything from All Saints in the longest time, and I remember years ago All Saints was like all I used to wear. I mean, many years ago. And I think I saw this on Instagram, so the Instagram ads are working on me, and I just felt like it looked so much more expensive than what it was. It's this organza fabric with all this beautiful detail, but I'm not sure if it's a little bit too much. So let's try this on together. They also have this in black, which might be a little bit more subtle than the white, but I wanted the white because spring, summer. What do we think? Is this jacket too much? This is the back. Or do we love? Keep or return? That is the question with this one. I have a wish list piece from Bottega. Cannot wait to show you. But if you watched one of my recent shopping vlog videos, I went to London and I actually got an exclusive preview, which I filmed, it's all in that vlog, of some brand new Strathberry bags that are coming out soon. And this one has just been released, not all of them have yet. And it's a new style from my favourite collection from Strathberry. Even the dust bag is beautiful. Like, you can use this as a tote bag itself. But what we are here for is inside the dust bag. The preview was so good. I have added so many bags to my wish list. I know a lot of you have as well. But here we have the brand new Kite tote bag. And this is in the stunning caramel suede. You can get this in two sizes. This is the midi size. This is the smaller one. You can also get this in a larger size. I would go for the larger size if you want to carry a laptop, use it as a work bag. But I wanted to use this as more of a shopping bag, at which point I don't actually need the really big size of the tote. I felt like I would actually wear this size more. So just to show you inside, they are fully leather lined. This one has a zip compartment across the back, which is actually attached to the bag, which I prefer. And you get a longer strap, which you can attach to these side hoops, and then you can shoulder and crossbody the bag. And I actually have been thinking to kind of change the shape of the bag a little bit and then push the sides in like so. It just gives a completely different shape and vibe of the bag. So I'm probably going to use mine like this a lot. Now, just as a comparison to the original Kite bag, so this is the Kite Hobo bag, this is the tote bag. This is the smaller size of the Kite Hobo, and I got mine in the black grained leather, just an absolute classic to just throw on the shoulder and grab and go. And this one I can wear on the crook of my arm. Let me know which one is your fave. Let's put this beauty just here. Now this bag, oh my gosh, has been selling out. I snapped this bag up because I think it's just going to be the most amazing bag. So this is the brand new Stockholm bag. I went for the large size in the black smooth leather. I mean, I already have a lot of black bags in my collection, I know, but there was a specific feature about this bag that I really loved. I can say the leather smells absolutely stunning. We have these long straps. So this is basically a shoulder bag. There's no other real way to wear it. You can wear it on the crook of your arm or handhold. But the reason behind why I ordered this size of the bag is very specifically the inside layout of the bag. So we have one compartment, we have a divider down the middle, and then a big compartment on the other side. And I figured when I go to London for the day and I need a bigger bag, one of the things that really frustrates me is I like to change my shoes. So I like to run around London in my trainers because there are these mythical creatures apparently that run around all day in heels. I am not said mythical creature. I like my comforts, I like my trainers. So I was thinking I could keep all my daily essentials in one side and then on the other side of the compartment, I mean, I don't have any shoes with me right now, but let's just use this as an example. I could then, and this is the perfect shape, lay down my shoes on the other side. This keeps selling out. They do have it in a mini size, I think, a small size, and the larger size. The larger size for me with this black grained leather. Oh, it's everything. I just hope it goes really smushy. We have feet on the bottom of the bag, and there is a secret compartment on this bag which I knew nothing about. So look, we've got no pockets on the back, but wait, what is this on the front? Oh, we have a secret pocket kind of built into the bag. This is huge, by the way, and you wouldn't even know really that that pocket is actually there. I'm going as far as to say I think this is going to be my favourite Demelia bag ever, but once I've given this some use, I will do a full review for you. Two more items to show you. Both of these I mentioned in my wish list video for this year. I said I would like to get these items, one of them slightly different to what I actually put in the wish list video, but you'll see what I mean. And I'm going to show you the item from Bottega. It's actually not in this green bag. I have actually put it here because this is not a bag. This, in fact, is probably, no it is, this is the most special piece in my wardrobe. If you've been watching my channel for a little while now, I have become obsessed with Bottega's quality over the last year. This piece is so incredibly special. I cannot believe that I am showing you this right now. This is a fully woven black, I guess kind of like an overshirt or a shacket, like a shirt jacket. Oh my gosh. Have like the buttons, the whole thing is full leather with the intrecciato weave. Now, these pieces aren't cheap, and on my original wish list, I said that I would really love a Bottega jacket, like the bomber jacket style. But this one was actually on the Flannels website here in the UK, and they put this down by 50% in the sale. So this was definitely still a huge investment. But at 50% off, I just could not say no. And I feel like it achieves the same vibe as what I was wanting with the bomber jacket. Before I show you my final wish list bag, talking of birthdays and gifting in general, it can be super hard to buy for someone who seemingly has it all. But if you or a friend or family member is a serious bag lover, then you might want to check out my brand new brand, Luxall. This is technically an ad as I own the brand, but we have launched these stunning bag essentials gift sets. In each gift set, you will get a table bag hook. This is great so you don't have to keep putting your bag on the floor. Also in the bag essentials gift set is a bag rain cover with a Velcro top. This fits most small to medium sized bags. And not only that, you also get 10 premium leather wipes, which have a beautiful scent to them. I have been working on these for well over a year now, and they're great for just giving your bag a clean if you happen to spill anything on it, and even your leather shoes. Now, on to further matters. So this is a bag that I actually went to try on in London before Christmas, but they didn't have this colour in stock, and I very specifically wanted this colour. And she is finally here. I actually think this is sold out again in this specific colourway, but if I can find it, I will of course link it. I mean, this doesn't need maybe such a big box. It is quite a small bag. What is this? We have a fire flame dust bag. Is this the receipt? Okay, yeah, the receipt is in there. So you actually get a dust bag, a flaming dust bag. I'm not sure what that's about, but you get a dust bag for your receipt. And here is the bag. I've said recently that Prada for me has just been a brand I've not been interested in for quite a few years, mostly because I just don't think their price points justify their quality. But I think this bag could be an exception to that rule because, again, I've seen it in person. I know the quality is really nice. And a bag that I said I'd never get from Prada, which I got recently actually, is the reissue. I only got this because I adored the beads and it matched my Prada Jacques robot bag charm. I've used this a lot because it's so lightweight, it's so easy to grab and go, but I feel like with the beads, it makes it more of like an evening bag. So this one is going to be more of a day bag. We finally have her in the collection. Oh my gosh. This is the Prada Ime bag in the burgundy wine red. I first saw this bag in Galeries Lafayette when I was in Paris. Such a simple bag. And you can actually fold this down and it goes flat. And this is what sold this to me, is because when I travel with a bag, I feel like this is big enough for me to use every day. It's also quite slouchy. I'm really looking forward to this slouching a lot more. And it kind of doubles up as a nice evening bag as well. Like, not as fancy as beads, but still a really cute vibe, and it's fully leather lined. Just FYI, if you like this colour, obviously earlier we actually boxed the Lioette Violette bag, the Soft Laurent. As you can see, the colour is nearly exact. Wow, what a haul. Let me know your favourite, but make sure you don't go anywhere because coming up next, we are going luxury shopping in London to check out all the latest bags from our favourite designer brands. Enjoy.